how to add lots of colourful swatches to your Illustrator swatches panel. First thing to do, create a path. I'm just going to go with rectangle tool and I'm going to set the colours up here. I'm going to go with black. That's my first colour, and I'm also going to set the stroke to nothing. Now I'm going to make a fairly thin shape there, and then I'm going to hold down the Alt Option key and drag. I'm just going to drag that, and now I'm just going to colour it red. I'm going to drag again by holding down the Alt Option key on the keyboard and create another colour. And blue. I'm just going to make that pink. And you can make obviously lots of different colours. Just go with purple, maybe white, and just drag that, and so on. You could create obviously more than that. Don't have to just create those. And select them all. I'm just going to... Now, once you've done that, what you can do, go over here. Go to the blend tool. Press return. And you've got an option here for smooth colours. But you can also set specified steps as well. I'm just going to go with that. I'm going to go for 20. So 20 there and click OK. And I'm just going to click on each of them. So click there. And as you do that, you can see now you've got all those lovely colours all the way across and there. So you've got all those colours, all those paths are going from black all the way through to red, all the way through to orange to yellow, etc. Now you've got that. You can go to Object and Expand and click OK. And you can now see all the paths. You can also go Object and Ungroup if you want to ungroup it. However, you can select the individual ones and you can see now you've got all these colours. Well, just select the entire set. Go to the Swatches panel, which you can find in Window and Swatches. Go over here to the right side menu, click there and New Colour Group. New Colour Group, and go for Selected Artwork. So Selected Artwork and click OK. And then straight away you've got all those lovely colours there. All the ones there which you can now use in your work. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you much.